Welcome to the Learn to Sew Academy channel. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.
I just got this iron for my studio. It's supposed to be a really good iron for you if you sew a lot or even around the house. So I just want to unbox this and let you see what it looks like. This is a Panasonic cordless steam iron. As the name implies, it is cordless and it says hassle-free ironing. Also down here it says it's perfect for quilters, sewers and crafters. Easy to use, carry and store, which is really one of the things that attracted me to it, the fact that it has a carrying case. Because I do classes sometimes outside of my studio, I felt this was going to be very convenient for me to take around, and also because it's cordless, so I really wanted this. This has become really scarce. It was very difficult to come across one, so when I got one on Amazon, I was really excited. I'm just gonna open it up and see what it really looks like. Just using my paper scissors here to open it. Method for repacking. So they show you if you want to repack it, maybe to store. It's just instructions on how you put the case and how you detach the case. So I'm just gonna remove this so that it's easier to pull it out. And then there we are. Okay. It comes with a manual. And then it has some limited warranty, but it says only for USA. We'll probably need to register this to be able to use the warranty if needed. Oh, then there is one for Canada. It has a limited warranty for Canada. Here is the main thing that we're looking at. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Oh, so it has this. So you can lift it. It's so portable, which is what I really like. And it has such great reviews, thousands of ratings, and it had a very high rating and such wonderful review. That was why I really wanted to get it. Again, because it will be so easy for me, since sometimes I teach outside of my studio. This is just going to be so convenient. And of course, I'm also going to be using it in the studio as well. So to open it has a button on this side and it has a button on the other side. So I just pressed both buttons and just lifted it. It was that easy. Oh, this is so pretty. Beautiful. So it sits on the cradle just like that. Over here is where we have the retractable cable. It's the base that we actually plug in, and you just place this on to get your iron to be hot. It's almost like you charging the iron. As you can see, there's some things like a plug here that goes in here, so it's like you charging your iron. And this is where you put the water in. It also has the auto off function, and it also anti-drape, meaning that when you have your water in, it doesn't just drape. But another thing I like about it is that it says vertical, so you can actually use it vertically as a steamer. So I like that too about it. To fill in the water, you can just press this and remove the water compartment so that you're not dripping water all over your iron or the base. So you just fill your water in here, and it gives you where the maximum water level should be, and then you just slip it right back, and you hear the click, and you can see here, this is the settings here: off, low, medium, and high. I really like this, and I can't wait to start using it. I'm just gonna keep it out, even though I look forward to carrying it with me a lot if I need to, but I'll definitely keep it out in my studio to use it often. Again, I just cover this and it just clicks and plays, and you just lift it. It's very light, it's not heavy at all. From the reviews I read, it's a very efficient iron. It eats up really quickly. I'm just going to fill some water in this and we'll just test it. So again, to put the water in, you just press this button right here to remove the compartment, and then you open this up and fill in your water through here. So I filled this with some water, so I'm just gonna slip it back in. It's so easy to do that. And then I'm just going to pull the plug, and then I'm just gonna plug this in. Okay, I plugged it in now. I'm gonna press this. When I press that, it shows low, but for it to charge, it has to sit on the base. So this is saying low, it goes to medium, you press again, it goes to high, and you press again, it turns it off. So I'm just gonna leave it on medium, and I'm gonna set the table so we can test this. I'm gonna test it now, and this eats up really fast. So I have this fabric that I'm gonna use to test it. Just gonna see what it's gonna do. You can set the steam around here depending on how much you want, and you also have the spray right here if you want to spray some water on it to make it smoother, or you can just use the steamer right there, and you have the different level for the steaming. And of course, as you iron, you're supposed to put it right back on the cradle, because that keeps it recharging so that you can keep using the iron. But I like the fact that it is cordless, so even if I need to take it to the next table to iron, that is just so convenient. You know, once it eats up, I can take it, walk with it to the next table in the studio, and I find that really nice. So that's it. I'm just gonna let this retract back, and to do that, you just pull it and it retracts. There you are. So I hope you like this unboxing. Please be sure to leave me a thumbs up, and again, I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you would like to learn more about this product, or if you like to get one of this. I see myself using this for many years and really enjoying it. Thank you for joining me in this video. See you in my next video. Bye. I do hope this video has been very helpful to you. Please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to this channel and click the bell for notifications. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.